Hey guys, I have May's Lookfantastic box with me, and it's a orange and pink box, and I always repurpose this kind of boxes because they are really good quality. So this month it says Eyeko, the act of walking on tiptoes on warm sand. Super cute. And of course it comes with this book that tells you what is inside, how to use it, and tips. So this is really good for reference. And it also comes with May's Elle magazine. This one, it says, Hello Spring Fashion May 2018. So now, let us break into the pink tissue paper, and the little sticker is orange, same color as the box. This is the inside of the box, and let's just go with the biggest item. This is from the brand Skin Republic Skin Laboratory, and it says Oxygen Cleanse Face Mask, and it's a bubble purifying charcoal face mask sheet. And I love masks and I love charcoal, and it says that it's a foaming mask. So after you put it on your face for 15 to 20 minutes, the mask will begin to bubble and foam. Remove the mask and you can massage the excess bubbles and foam into skin. Now I've never tried anything like this, so I'm really excited to try this. So charcoal is really good for cleaning the pores, and I really like to use this after a long day of makeup. Next thing in the box is this big item over here, and this is from the brand Spotlight. It's the teeth white strips, and I've used teeth whitening strips before, the very famous one from Crest, and I did not like it, so I'm always up for trying other brands. And it comes with 8 strips, so 4 for your upper teeth and 4 for your lower teeth, and this is how it looks like. And it says 1 hour express, so you just tear it open, put 1 strip on top, put 1 strip below, and then you leave it on for 1 hour, and after 1 hour you remove it and brush your teeth. You only need to use it every day for 2 weeks, and you can get brighter, whiter teeth. So the next thing in the box, this is a brand that I recognize in subscription box, and this is from the brand Thisworks. This is the In Transit Camera Close-Up. It says mask, moisturizer, and primer in one, so that sounds like it's gonna be a very good makeup base. And this is a generous size, 20 ml. So let's open it up and smell it. There's definitely a strong floral scent, and it doesn't say when to use it, whether is it day or night, so this is definitely something that I would preferably use it under my makeup. So the next thing in the box, another little squeezy tube. This is from the brand Avant, and it says Anti-Aging Serum Hd V. So smooth a pea-sized amount in the morning and evening. This is very liquidy, so it can go a really long way, so I guess that's why you don't need to use a lot. And doesn't have much of a scent. It smells a little bit like fruits. So moving on to makeup items, and the next thing in the box is an eyeliner. It's the Eyeko D-O, E-Y-E-D-O, which is kind of cute. Liquid eyeliner from the brand Eyeko. And I have an eyeliner from the brand Eyeko. So this says waterproof, carbon black, and lash enhancing. And although this is the liquid eyeliner, the one that I have from the same brand is the Skinny Mini liquid eyeliner. And this is one of my favorite eyeliners, and I'm just going to show you. I've already used this for at least a couple months now, and I really like how precise it is. And I use this on days when I know I want my eyeliner to stay in this crazy heat. So the last thing in the box is probably the thing that I'm most excited about, because it is a face contour kit. It's from the brand Sleek Makeup, and it's in the shade medium. So this is how it looks like. It's just little palm size, so it's really good for traveling. So one side comes with a matte, easy to blend contour powder, and another side comes with an illuminating highlighter. And look at this, there is no wastage of pen, so this thing looks really small, but the pen size is actually a very good size. So let's swatch it. Although it's medium, the powder is really soft and buttery and smooth. Although it is medium, hopefully if I use a light hand it might work. So this is the contour powder. Okay, yeah, maybe this is a bit too dark for me. And this is the highlight. So I've never tried anything from Sleek Makeup. I'm really excited for this. And generally, I just really like color products. So even though this looks a little bit dark, but I think I can just use it as an eyeshadow, doesn't matter. And the highlight is a very pretty color. I would definitely use the highlight. It's like a gold with some peach to it and slightly orangey. So that's my May Lookfantastic box, and I'm definitely most excited for the makeup products. And this month we have 2 makeup items, and this little contour kit is a really good deal to get in a box. And These two are my favorites, and I also really like the face mask because I just really like face masks in general, and I'm also excited to try out this because this is from the brand Thisworks and I've heard a lot about this brand. So that's all for my box this month. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!